Hi guys. Hi. Can you hear me? Yay! Hope you guys are having a Merry Christmas, good holidays, been in a festive spirit, making gingerbread houses, or doing cookies, or even cooking for Christmas dinner, all that good festive stuff, and, watching Christmas movie. But for real guys, I'm gonna quit talking talk, honey. People are getting on my nerves because, honey, ain't my fault that you forgot to get this Christmas present for somebody that you should have got a long time ago. And they put all your frustration and anger towards me because you forgot to get it. Now you get the last minute. Ain't my fault. But towards me, honey, boo-boo, because ain't the one, not today, not ever. And also, my money is gone. It's gone in thin air. It's gone evaporated. I don't know where the money went. It's just gone. I bet people with the kids, I bet they just doing too much, asking for too much. It's just a whole lot of guys like dealing with. I bet you don't even. I understand, honey. I understand. Christmas, keep it.
I just want to come over here and say Merry Christmas, and today is Vlogmas Day 25 because it is Christmas Day, and I want to do something different on Vlogmas. We just to basically say thank you for all your love and support that you have shown me and that you do on my channel and that I see you do. As well, I want to give a shout out to my best friend, my bestie, my YouTube buddy, love you girl. As always, you know that. Kiana and KianaVision and
Christmas! How are you guys doing today? It's actually Christmas morning and I'm making my last vlog. I wasn't prepared. I'm sorry for the sleepy face. I have to get this done. I just wanted to pop in and say good morning, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are really enjoying your morning so far. And thank you so much for watching Vlogmas.
Also to my Slim Jim.
Yo, what's up, world? It's your man, Slim Jim Longfoot, aka the GOAT, King of America. Welcome to day 661 of Diabetes and I. The daily vlog that I do to show you how I combat this type 2 diabetes with the 1-2. You feel me? Yo, if you new.
Thank you so much. You know who you are. Love you guys. I love y'all guys so much. Y'all was supporting me. I was in the comments. I see you. And to everybody else that does comment and also support and love me as well, I appreciate it so much, and I truly thank you from the bottom of my heart to every single person that do, really truly do. As I be on this YouTube channel and just doing it in general, I truly do thank you, and next year's gonna be bigger and better as I do this channel and as I grow within myself as general, and really about it. Really, seriously, I hope you're gonna be growing as well with me of 2002 of next year, and it's gonna be bigger, better, brand new you, brand new me. Just everything is just gonna be up from here, and also mental and physically. And that's really about it. So love you guys. Stay blessed, stay humble, and always be you, true to you. Can't nobody do you but yourself. Stay true to that, and always stay positive. Yeah, I was gonna say Merry Christmas. I love you guys. Catch you in the next one. As I say, deuces, voluptuous. I love you guys.